guys, welcome to another video. I have a Shein haul for you guys today. So this is the package. Let's go ahead and start opening up what we got. Alright, so the first thing that I got are a pair of shoes, and they're these really cute off-white platform fur shoes. Very cute. The second item is a pair of shoes as well. So we have these platform shoes. I also got them in pink. Same shoe, but I think the strap is a little different if you compare to both. So yeah. One is more elastic and the other one looks like it has a Velcro strap. Then we have the clothing items, the last clothing item. We have a swimsuit cover-up. This is on a flash sale for like $3, but this is really cute for the beach. I love plaid, so thought that would be great. Not bad for $3. Then we have a pair of socks with a pink little cake on it, or a little strawberry cake. Pink socks with a little strawberry cake. I accidentally ordered two. One will be for my daughter, and then this one will be for me. Then we have a toothbrush, a cute little pink toothbrush with a flower on it. Very cute. Then we have a mouse pad rester, like a wrist rester. A cute mouse pad with a little milk drink or strawberry drink. I got the blue milk, or I got the white plain milk, but blue. I got this ring set. Let's see if you can see the other one. So, little daisies, pink. I got these really cute nails, heart nails. First one is a cute butterfly, and then the second one is a little daisy. Another ring, and this is a really cute plastic pink heart with a gold daisy detail. It's so cute. So it is a mini heart-shaped handheld mirror. Very cute. For the last two items, wrapped in these boxes, pink glitter Q-tip holder. Very cute. Then we have this box here. And this is a cute cotton ball holder, pink glitter. Very cute. Yeah, that is it for today's haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you watched all the way through, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.